What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a good minute since I have uploaded. Unfortunately, I did have to go back to work, so trying to find time to work on the car now is a little bit harder, but ultimately my goal right now is to at least get a video or two knocked out every week, and then from there we'll kind of just, you know, build up from there if possible. But today we have a really exciting mod going down onto the interior of the car. So I took out the radio to have it all repainted, and unfortunately it did end up breaking. So I posted on Instagram. If anybody has anything, let me know. And a huge shout out to Brandon. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here on the screen. Make sure to go check him out, guys. He hit me up and really came in clutch. He's actually a subscriber to the channel as well, so he really came in, helped me out big time, and hooked me up with this Pioneer along with the bezel for it. And let me just say, this bezel is actually really nice. It's not like the cheap eBay one. The cheap eBay one looks like they have like rubber buttons, and I hear nothing but bad things about them, or like the dial they have is just not good. This looks OEM. So yeah, this really does feel like an OEM one. But what we are gonna be doing is we're gonna take this apart, get this all repainted to match what I kind of have going on now, and then I'll go ahead and pick up the camera once all of that is done, and we'll go over everything else. Quick update, got both parts sanded, primered. Alright, so we're gonna let that go ahead and dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and shoot this with a flat black, but I think we'll probably change it in the future. Alright guys, so here it is, the entire new unit. And again, I'm gonna put his Instagram right here on the screen. Let me move out of the way so you can see. There we go, that's better. Yeah, huge shout out. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Make sure to check him out. He went ahead and sent out this whole unit. I don't want to touch it because I'm still very dirty. And I pretty much from there just went ahead and sanded it down and repainted it. We are going with a flat black look. Just keep it, like I said, I'm trying to keep the car very simple but still just really nice. One cool thing is I actually ordered a universal double din mount. It didn't work out, so I was actually about to order another one, but then I saw on YouTube that somebody just went ahead and used this. So in case you guys don't know, now you know. This is actually from the factory stereo. You just go ahead, you're gonna have 4 screws on the side and your whole factory stereo will come out, and then just go ahead and put your new one in and you have pretty much OEM mounting. All right guys, it is the next day now, and we are about to head out to get the in-dash put in. Unfortunately, it is, whoa, we are super, there we go. Fortunately, it is raining. Well, it's kind of sprinkling now, but we have about a 30-ish minute drive heading out there, and really didn't want to take this thing out in the rain, but it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and get that installed. Oh man, can't wait, so excited. All right guys, we're about ready to head out, and I don't have any wipers, so hopefully it doesn't start pouring, but look at that cold start. I have something actually pretty cool that we're gonna be doing. It's not gonna be until we finish wrapping it, and it's such a basic, it's not even a mod, but it's something we're gonna be doing to the exhaust. It's gonna make for cool videos, guys. Stay tuned for that. Just wait, I think it's gonna be so cool. A lot of people are doing it, so I am new to the trend, but it's gonna be really cool though. Guys, we are here at LB Auto Sound in Long Beach. He's just finishing up some tint right now, and then we're gonna go ahead and get that bad boy installed. Super excited. I'm gonna try to film whatever it is I can. I don't know how much we'll get, but yep, that's that. So what is antibacterial tint?
I don't know.
Come on, why are you shy? What is it?
I don't know.
What is antibacterial tint?
If you lick it, you don't get sick.
I told her antibacterial tint is when you're in your car, you don't get sick. But we're
I'm gonna live in my car then.
Huh?
I'm gonna live in my car after I
know,
get it.
I should too. What was that? I hear sounds, that's good.
How easy it was.
Oh, that's my music right there.
We got it working.
Alright guys, we are back home and we got everything all put back together. Check it out, guys. Damn, look how good this looks. So yes, we are all back to flat black rather than the green, but I think it's a nice touch. Gives it a really just clean, simple look with these green accents. Ignore this, this isn't fully in yet, but with these green accents, the shift knob, the shift boot, you know, on the steering wheel, the Surikawa, I think it gives it a nice little touch. I might even add a little bit of green in this actually to match the engine bay cover, kind of do the silver green and then the dish soap, paint it black that way. This is black, but it has some green in it to kind of tie in with, you know, this. But there it is. I would show you guys, but copyrights, you know, can't really show you much, but there it is. Super happy. Look at that interior, it just looks so clean now. Let me go ahead and put this in. This just goes like that. I think, yeah, something like that. Whatever. There it is. So yeah, we got all that green. It's looking really good and I'm so happy. Again, another look. Also, we have the green stitching there. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. I know the green, when I did have all of that done, it was nice, but I think this just gives it a really clean look. I'm so happy.